successive governments have created substantial irrigation potential through construction of major projects. After the formation of new state of Telangana, sufficient attention was not given to the... I was wondering what you're saying. Okay. After the formation of new state of Telangana, sufficient attention was not given to the requirements of the Krishna Basin, and the then government agreed to the grossly unfair ratio of water sharing between the two states, which is 299 TMC to Telangana and 512 TMC to Andhra Pradesh. Through the AP Reorganization Act, a Krishna River Management Board was created for regulating the water sharing between the two states. The then government also proposed to hand over the common projects, that is Srisailam Dam and Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, to the control of KMRB, which is detrimental to the interests of Telangana. The KRMB jurisdiction to that effect has also been notified by the Government of India, which was not objected to by the previous government. On the night of 29/11/2023, a day before elections, Government of Andhra Pradesh sent police force and forcibly took over the control of the right side of Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, which was till then under the control of Telangana. The central government intervened and sent CRPF to remove the Andhra Pradesh police. In view of the historical injustice and the current situation, this House hereby resolves that the government of Telangana shall not hand over control of common projects to KRMB unless the conditions put forth by the state have been fulfilled, which are as follows. Water sharing between AP and Telangana shall be on the basis of catchment area, drought-prone area, basin population, cultivable area. In-basin needs shall be met first on priority as per Krishna Waters Dispute Tribunal 1. Srisailam project was sanctioned as a hydroelectric project by Planning Commission in 1962 for supplying 264 TMC to Nagarjuna Sagar project. Accordingly, MDDL of Srisailam shall be plus 830 feet as per KWDT 1 award. Outside basin diversions from Srisailam reservoir shall be limited to 34 TMC, 15 TMC for Chennai water supply, and 19 TMC for SRBC, which were approved by CWC. The use towards drinking water shall be reckoned as 20% of drawal towards consumptive use as stipulated by KWDT 1. States shall be permitted to carry over water to the next year as per KWDT 1 and shall not be accounted as use in the next year account. Unauthorized construction of projects, expansions, new components, diverting Krishna water outside basin shall not be permitted strictly unless approved by CWC or Ministry of Water Resources. This is my resolution, sir.
Resolution moved. Now I requested the Minister for Irrigation explain the object of resolution.
Speaker, sir, with your permission, I'd like to explain the aims and objects of the resolution and related issues through a PowerPoint presentation. We request for your permission for the same. Sir, very briefly, I'll try to cover certain issues regarding Krishna River projects and issues related to that, because ఈ గత 3-4 వారాల నుంచి తెలంగాణ రైతాంగానికి, తెలంగాణ ప్రజానీకానికి కొంత అపోహలు, అనుమానాలు ఉండే విధంగా కొందరు పెద్ద మనుషులు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఈ విషయాలన్నీ నివృత్తి చేయడానికి and to state the facts on record. I am giving this PowerPoint presentation only to submit certain facts, figures and chronology of events. Next. So we will just cover background of this issue, then Krishna Water Disputes Tribunal 1, Bachawat Award, Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act, the terms of reference to Krishna Waters Disputes Tribunal 2, chronology of meetings and events from 2014 to till date, and government resolution. I have already moved it. Next. Next. Sir, మీ అందరికీ తెలిసినట్టుగా భారతదేశంలో గంగా నది, గోదావరి తర్వాత కృష్ణా నది ఈజ్ ద థర్డ్ లాంగెస్ట్ రివర్. ఈ నది మహారాష్ట్రలో మహాబలేశ్వర్ అనే ప్రాంతంలో మరి అక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి 1400 కిలోమీటర్లు ఇట్ పాసెస్ త్రూ మహారాష్ట్ర, కర్ణాటక, తెలంగాణ అండ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ బిఫోర్ ఇట్ జాయిన్స్ బే ఆఫ్ బెంగాల్. River has 13 major tributaries and principal tributaries, including Ghataprabha River, Malaprabha River, Bhima River, Tungabhadra River and Musi River. ఈ నది తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో నారాయణపేట్ జిల్లాలో తంగడి విలేజ్ దగ్గర ఈ నది తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో ఎంటర్ అవుతున్న విషయం కూడా నేను మనవి చేస్తున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ గూగుల్ మ్యాప్. ఈ నదీ ప్రవాహం ఒకసారి మనం పరిశీలన చేద్దాం. ఏ విధంగా ఈ నదీ ప్రవాహంలో ప్రత్యేకంగా శ్రీశైలం రిజర్వాయర్ పై గత 10 ఏళ్లుగా గత పాలకుల నిర్లక్ష్యం,